Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, who was the first emperor of Japan? A. Emperor Jimmu, B. Emperor Meiji, C. Emperor Akihito, D. Emperor Taisho. The correct answer is option A, Emperor Jimmu. Emperor Jimmu is traditionally considered the first emperor of Japan, dating back to 660 BC according to Japanese mythology. Next question is, who developed the theory of the geocentric model? A. Aristotle, B. Copernicus, C. Galileo, D. Ptolemy. The correct answer is option D, Ptolemy. The geocentric model, which places Earth at the center of the universe, was developed by the ancient Greek astronomer Claudius Ptolemy. Next question is, who is known as the father of modern philosophy? A. René Descartes, B. Immanuel Kant, C. Friedrich Nietzsche, D. John Locke. The correct answer is option A, René Descartes. René Descartes is considered the father of modern philosophy, known for his famous statement, cogito, ergo sum, I think, therefore I am. Next question is, the Battle of Thermopylae in 480 BC was fought between the Greeks and which other empire? A. Roman Empire, B. Ottoman Empire, C. Persian Empire, D. Macedonian Empire. The correct answer is option C, Persian Empire. The Battle of Thermopylae, fought in 480 BC, was a famous last stand of the Greeks, led by King Leonidas against the Persian Empire under Xerxes. Next question is, the famous Venus de Milo sculpture is from which ancient civilization? A. Roman, B. Egyptian, C. Greek, D. Babylonian. The correct answer is option C, Greek. The Venus de Milo is a famous ancient Greek sculpture believed to represent Aphrodite, the goddess of love. Next question is, the Alps mountain range stretches across which part of Europe? A. Southern Europe, B. Western Europe, C. Eastern Europe, D. Northern Europe. The correct answer is option A, Southern Europe. The Alps mountain range stretches across Southern Europe, including countries such as France, Switzerland, and Italy. Next question is, who was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Economics? A. Amartya Sen, B. Elinor Ostrom, C. Janet Yellen, D. Esther Duflo. The correct answer is option B, Elinor Ostrom. Elinor Ostrom became the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Economics in 2009 for her work on economic governance and resource management. Next question is, the Constitution of India was adopted in which year? A. 1947, B. 1949, C. 1952, D. 1954. The correct answer is option B, 1949. The Republic is governed in terms of the Constitution of India, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. Next question is, the euro currency is used by how many countries in the European Union? A. 10, B. 15, C. 20, D. 25. The correct answer is option C, 20. Currently, the euro is the official currency of 20 out of 27 EU member countries, which together constitute the Eurozone, officially called the Euro area. Last question is, who invented the first practical automobile? A. Carl Benz, B. Nikola Tesla, C. Henry Ford, D. Gottlieb Daimler. The correct answer is option A, Carl Benz. Carl Benz is credited with inventing the first practical automobile in 1885 to 1886, which was powered by an internal combustion engine. Now it's time for practice question. The Neanderthals were an early form of humans that lived primarily in which region? A. Africa, B. Europe, C. Asia, D. North America. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.